This next drink was mixed by one of the greatest bartenders in the world at one of the greatest bars in the world, Mr. Jack McGarry at Dead Rabbit, New York. And this is the Dan Cunningham. We're gonna start with 20 mils of rum. Give you some Mount Gay, 20 mils of port, 20 mils of Tullamore whiskey. Just gonna dry it out. 15 mils of framboise syrup. It's gonna give it a lovely rich flavor with the port. 20 mils of lemon juice just to bind it all together. And a dash of Angostura bitters. So a really rich, almost Navy style drink. Once that's all in, add the ice. Give it a good shake. Real deep, earthy style flavor to it that I absolutely adore. And of course, that lovely light acidity. So much flavor. Double strain this to a small coupette glass. And that is Jack McGarry's Dan Cunningham. Give this one a try for sure.